Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something totally different from what I normally do. I am collabing with my mom over at Beverly's Design Time, which I will link below. We're going to be doing a collab with these small organizer boxes, which could be used as makeup holders or jewelry holders or whatever else you want to use. Our boxes are going to be similar, but they are not going to be the same. There are some differences. So you guys, again, make sure you check out her video. I will link it below, and then make sure you stay tuned for my video. I'll show you how I make what I do. You guys like it. I'm excited. Let's get to it. So the items that we're going to need today are FIXALL glue from Dollar Tree, stackable organizing drawers from Dollar Tree. We have glass gems from Dollar Tree, bling wrap from Amazon. I'll link it below so you can know exactly where you can get it from. E6000 glue, you can get this at Walmart or Michael's. You're also going to need to pick up some of these mirrors, which they have at Michael's, and they may have them at Hobby Lobby. There's a pack that has one size, and there's a pack that has multiple sizes, which we'll be using the bigger ones. But they have the bigger ones in here just in case you can't find this pack. We're going to be using glass gems from Michael's as well. A pair of scissors, hot glue gun with Gorilla glue sticks, and yeah, so let's get started. So we're going to take the drawer out first. So I'm going to take this bling wrap. I already have a piece cut because I've done a couple of drawers already. I'm going to take it and I'm going to measure it across the top, and as you see, there are two lines on each side, so you'll know exactly where you need to stop it. We're only going to use 2 rows. I'm going to measure this across, and if I need to cut it, then I'll cut it. So now I am going to take my FIXALL glue and just a small paintbrush. I'm going to use the end of it. You can use a toothpick or anything, you know, with a small end. And I'm going to apply it to the front of the drawer and lay the bling wrap on it. It should look something like this. So now you want to take 4 of your mirrors. We're going to line them across the front of the drawer. Something like that. So now I'm going to take the FIXALL glue again, and I'm just going to spread it across. I'm not going to use my paintbrush this time because I have a big area that I'm working with, so I'm going to just spread it all across and lay my mirrors on it. Now it should look like this. The next thing I'm going to do is take this tiny piece of bling wrap that I have pre-cut, and I'm going to line it up in the middle here, right under the handle for the drawer. Next, I'm going to take 1 strip, measure it across the top, and then glue it. Next, we're going to take some more bling wrap, and on the ends of the mirror, you're going to line it up, and we're going to glue a strip at the end of each mirror. Take your glue. This time I'm going to use the end of the paintbrush to spread it because it's such a small area. Here's what it should look like so far. Pretty nice and blingy. The next thing we are going to do is go into the gems, and I'm going to use a heart because it really covers this area. So now I'm going to glue the gem on, and I'm going to use the hot glue gun to do that. So here's what we're looking like so far. I should place it back into the box. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate the outside of the box. It's going to be the right side. With me looking at it, it's the right side of the box. So we'll take this back out. I'll pull this back. Now we're going to do that same thing across the top. We're going to take some bling wrap and measure it across here, cut it, and glue it down. We're going to take 5 of the mirrors, line them across, and glue them down as we did before. Now we're going to take the small one section of bling wrap again and go down each end of each mirror. Alright, once you have all your mirrors and bling wrap on, this is what it should look like. Okay, now that I have that completed, the next thing you want to do is just take some glass cleaner and clean up your boxes. If there's like any dust or dirt or anything on them, you want to clean your boxes. And we're going to stack them and glue them together, and so it's going to look like this. It's going to look like this on this side. So now to glue the boxes together, I'm going to be using the E6000 glue, and I am just going to basically take it along these little ridges here at the bottom of the box. You're actually only going to need to put glue on 2 of the boxes, which is the middle box and the top box. Okay, as you see, I have both pieces to my box. And they're gonna sit like this once I'm done. So you have one side mirrors here, and the other side with mirrors here. Now I am going to take this E6000 and I'm just going to spread it all over. And then I'm going to lay this side on top. And I'm just going to line it up to make sure everything is in the right place. While that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and take some more of the bling wrap, and the space here along the side, I'm going to add some bling wrap to that. And I'm just going to take one strip of the bling wrap and add it. So now I'm going to use the glass gems for the feet, for the bottom of the boxer. I'm going to use 6 of them, so they're going to go along the outsides and along the center. And you want to make sure the flat part is facing up, because that will be the part that it sits on. So here is the finished product, you guys. I am super excited. I am happy, as this is my first time doing something like this, and I am just so satisfied with how it turned out. It is beautiful. You can always add more bling strips along the front here if you feel like it's too plain. I won't be adding any because I am going to be adding a makeup brush holder at the top. I will show you guys in a future video how I am going to design it. And you know, you could use it for makeup, you could use it for jewelry, but I'm probably going to dedicate one side to makeup and I'll probably dedicate one side to jewelry. I have lipsticks, you know, I have concealers and a lot of small things that I could put into these. So I'm definitely gonna use it. I can't wait to put it up in my bathroom, see how well it fits. And I know if I can do it, you guys can do it too. It is super simple, very affordable. Dollar Tree, Michael's, you know, so I hope you guys will try it out. And if you do, please comment below and let me know how it worked out for you. I would love to see it. Make sure you guys stick around for my next video. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I will be doing a giveaway. If I can get more of these organizer boxes, then I will be giving those away. If not, then I will be giving away a couple of gift cards from Dollar Tree. So again, make sure you subscribe. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys try it. I would love to see you guys' creations, you know, the different things you may come up with, the different designs. You don't have to do it exactly how I did it. You can do it different, you know. So whatever you decide to come up with, I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. So let me know, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification button. Again, I will be doing a giveaway, so you guys make sure you stay tuned, okay? And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.